Kasi nga parang may changing of the guards, ika nga, no, sa security detail po ni VP Sara. So just for our, just to get us in the proper, to give us the proper context, kayo na magkwento. So it's a mix of AFP and PNP pala ang kanyang security detail. Tapos ngayon, because of this mga sampa-sampa ng mga kaso, papalitan temporarily. Kayo na po magkwento, ano ba ang protocol pagdating po sa security detail po ng Vice President?
Ma'am, yun pong detail po kasi niyan, before po, nakahiwalay po ang Vice Presidential Security Group. Now, it is in one merged unit po. Prior pa po, with all these issues, nag-merge na po yan into the Presidential Security Command.
Okay.
So, lumaki po ito. It's one umbrella unit under the Armed Forces of the Philippines. And its mission is to protect the President and other dignitaries. And the Vice Presidential Security Group is under that same unit din po. With this po, yung nga po may subpina na inilabas nga po ang ating Philippine National Police, minabuti po natin na sundin po ang subpina na yon. So para po matugunan nitong mga involved personnel, yung investigation that would ensue. And in order for them to shed light to this investigation. Kaya ang gagawin po ng Armed Forces of the Philippines is to temporarily replace them po with a contingent from the Philippine National Police and the Armed Forces of the Philippines po.
So triggered ba yung possible recall nga nitong AFP personnel? So ang request is for AFP. For PNP. Ang request ng AFP, ng Sandatahang Lakas, police personnel muna.
Completely ba police o mix pa rin ng AFP at saka PNP? Kasi kanina kababanggit nyo.
Yes, ma'am. It's still a mix po. Because the Presidential Security Command is an AFP unit po.
Okay. Just follow up lang. Yung PNP and AFP combined for the VP Security Detail, ilang tao pong pinag-uusapan? Kasi many months ago, di ba, nung nawala na siya bilang kalihim ng DepEd, binawasan siya kasi yung mga parang hindi na fully utilized. Yung sa mga police yun, no, in that aspect. But since it's still under the AFP and combined PNP and AFP, how many security what is the number of security detail po now currently of the Vice President, if you're okay to share?
Yes, ma'am. Hindi na po ngayon ganun yung sa numbers, ma'am, no? As I said kasi, dati po kasi there's a certain number for her security because it was separate from PSC. And now because it's under one umbrella unit, pwede na po kasi, ma'am, na ma-deploy yung buong strength ng PSC to any of them depending po sa requirements of certain engagements. So there will be engagements, ma'am, na mas marami yung kailangan tropa. Members of the PSC can now be shifted towards engagements for the Vice President and the President as well po.
So hindi fixed yung number na, for example, 40 ang every day at any given instant may 40 na nakadetail kay VP. So as necessary. So if she needs more security kasi high risk, magiging 60 yan. Pero on an average, 40. Parang gano'n ang sinasabi po ninyo, Colonel?
Yes po, ma'am. Depending po sa intel reports on the ground, yung threat situation po, gaano kalaki po yung crowd that we need to secure, gaano kalaki yung place, nagbabari po lagi yan, depending on certain engagements po.
Okay,
Colonel, alam naman natin, kasi syempre dapat ikaw bilang government official, understandably, goes to without saying na gusto mo, nagbabantay ng iyong seguridad is are people that you trust. Hindi ba nabubuo yung kumpiyansa mo? Loyal to you. Dahil sa gitna po ng mga nangyayari na po na between the two highest officers of the land, si VP Sara po ba is at liberty to choose kung sino po ang magbabantay sa kanya?
I can speak for the Armed Forces of the Philippines, ma'am, no, na kahit sino naman pong sundalo at opisyal ng Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas can perform po as a security detail. As I said, we are a professional organization and we are true to our mandate po.
Kasi may statement man si VP Sara, di ba? Na kaya pinalitan yung kanyang nakapaligid sa kanya na nagbabantay sa kanya para mamonitor na rin siya. Because of the threat, di ba? The perceived threat.
Pero I was going to ask Colonel, kasi meron rin pong sinabi si VP Sara na she will take care, she has friends who will provide her with security. If ever ba, pwede ba mga civilian? Or paano ba yun, yung mga friends? How will that work po? If ever? Paano ba yun?
For For us, ma'am, no, we perform our mandate. Depends on the mission of the unit po.
Oh.
So in our case, since under po ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, ang VPSG po, it's the troops of the Armed Forces of the Philippines who will be performing that mandate po.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.